Hi folks, welcome back to another episode of Investment Income for Life.
Before we go into the latest updates for Keppel DC REIT, I would like to talk about the recent stock market rally. Congrats to all those who have been holding on to their SREITs. The recent stock market rally for SREIT further reinforced the point that one should never time the market. It is hard to know when to exit the market and when to enter the market at the so-called right time.
Anyway, without further ado, let's take a look at the latest announcement by Keppel DC REIT on 11 July 2024 with regard to the acquisition of a data center in Tokyo, Japan. This new acquisition comes after the divestment of the Australian property. In addition, this will be Keppel DC REIT's maiden foray into the Japanese data center market. Following the completion of the divestment of this Australian property, Keppel DC REIT's total value of assets under management remains stable at 3.6 billion Sing dollar with a strengthened balance sheet to pursue this new acquisition using debt. So let's take a closer look at the acquisition overview of the Tokyo data center. The purchase consideration for this deal is at $201 million. This is approximately 2.5% discount to the independent valuation by the professionals at 206 million Sing dollars. Keppel DC REIT will be taking out an effective interest of 98.47%, while Keppel Limited is taking out 1.53%. The net lettable area for the data center is 190,000 square feet. Its current client is a hyperscaler on the list of the Fortune Global 500 companies. The lease type is on a triple net basis, and its weighted average lease expiry is approximately 7 years, and the property is a freehold property. Next, let's take a look at the key investment merits. 1. Maiden foray into Japan. Japan has the third largest economy globally with high digital penetration. It is also the second largest DC hub in Asia, and the DC market is forecast to grow at a cumulative annual growth rate of more than 10% from 2024 to 2028. Investment merit number 2, potential positive rental reversion. The current renter for this Tokyo data center is committed in mid-2010s with a remaining lease term of 7 years, and this provides a good opportunity for future positive rental reversion. To note that hyperscaler typically have longer contract terms that are more than 20 years. With a tight supply and demand balance for data centers in Greater Tokyo, operators should be able to pass on rising costs to the end user. Investment merit number 3, enhanced portfolio metrics and income resilience. With this acquisition, the portfolio occupancy is expected to improve from 98.1% to 98.2%. Keppel DC's weighted average lease expiry will also increase from 6.5 years to 6.6 years. Its rental income exposure from Internet Enterprises client is also expected to go up from 44.1% to 45.1% post-acquisition. Investment merit number 4, DPU Accretive acquisition. The FY 2023 pro forma DPU will increase from 9.383 cents to 9.488 cents had the proposed transaction occurred on 1st Jan 2023. Since this acquisition will be funded by Japanese yen debt, it provides a natural hedge to the purchase consideration And post-acquisition, the average cost of debt will improve from 3.6% to 3.3%, and its aggregate leverage will increase from 36.2% to 39.4%. My parting thoughts for this acquisition is that it is extremely good news that Keppel DC REIT has gone back on its growth path. I am sure that there will be definitely more M&A coming out for Keppel DC. Ultimately, Keppel DC sponsor has more than $2 billion worth of data center assets in its pipeline. Okay folks, that's all from me for today. Have a great week ahead and may you be well and happy always. Bye!